Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can log in into Stockx account. So of course the first thing is before you can log in into your account, you need to actually have an account in the first place. So for you to have an account, you will need to create it. So let me show you how you can create one first. So let me just log out real quick. So here we go. Now, once you want to create an account, you simply have to click on sign up, right, which is located in the top right corner. So click on it and choose which creation method you would like to go for. There is the normal, which is by filling the information that they will ask you for, like name, last name, password, and email, etc. And there is also the shortcuts, which are these ones, like the Gmail, Apple, Facebook, and X. These are faster, more convenient for me, so I always use them in my videos. They are simply faster and you don't really need to put a password for them. So now, what about logging in? So you could either click login through here and basically put here your email address and password, or choose to log in with one of these things that you have chosen before within the sign up process. You can also click within the home page into login, which is right here next to sign up. There is the login button, so you can click on it right through here. As you can see, once you have it on it, it will be darker, so click on it and wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page as well. So now all that is left for you to do is to choose the account that you have created the account with. So I'm going to choose my Gmail that I have already used before, and here we go. So this is how you can sign in into your Stockx account. To verify it, you simply have to find that the sign up button and the login button has been removed, and here you have your profile icon. So yeah, and that was pretty much it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.